Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can design your Shopify website in a fast kind of way. If usually you know how to design your Shopify by customizing the templates as well as using Canva or Figma to help you, I'm going to show you one more apps that you can use in order to design your Shopify. So first you're going to want to go to your Shopify search bars right here and search for GemPage, and this is the apps that we're looking for. So GemPages is a landing page creator that are going to help you to design your website with the help of AI. So what we're going to do next is we're going to go ahead and install this into our Shopify store. Alright, once we got GemPages installed into our website, we can now start altering our website. So one of the things that are going to help you to design your website in an easy and fast kind of way is actually their AI tools. So here we're going to go ahead and click on this create a new page, and you have the options to use any of the pre-made templates that they have, or you can also go ahead and click create from scratch. And now we're going to go ahead and click this image to layout options. So with this tools, you'll be able to add a link of a website that you really like and take a look at how the layout of that website is created and put it into your own website. Now before we continue, I'm just going to show you my website real quick. So this is how it looks like. It looks pretty basic, nothing really complicated. It looks okay, but I would like to elevate the looks even more. Now here are some of the website that I really like. So the first one is called Everlash. This is actually a lash extensions website, and I really like how it looks like. And if you'd like to scroll around on this website, you can just scroll it with your mouse or click on some of the pictures, which will lead you into their pages. And if I click on one of their pages, for example, this brow bomber here, it's going to look some things like this. So I'm going to try and use this brow bomber section as an inspiration for my website, and we'll see how it looks like. And then I'm going to try on the second website later on. So there, I'm just going to go ahead and copy the link and paste it over here, and I'm going to see how the AI is going to read the image. Alright, so they managed to read the layout, and obviously it's not perfect because I believe the Everlash website is a little bit more complex than just one image with pictures and text. But they managed to still get some of the templates, and it looks pretty nice. And if I would like to add any of these templates into my website, all I have to do is just choose from the available sections right here. So let's say I want to add this one and then this one. I can just go ahead and click on generate, and it's going to add that specific page from the other website into my website builder. So basically this is the image that I got from the Everlash website. Now I'm going to go to the second image that I really like, which is rediary.com. This is a local makeup product website, and I just think that it looks so cute, and I really like the layout and everything. So I'm going to try to bring this into GemPage.ai. I'm going to go ahead and once again copy the link, go back into the GemPages builder, click on the image to lay out, and then go ahead and Ctrl-V over here, and then generate it, and we'll see how it will look like. Alright, so this one actually looks even better than the first one, because I believe that the pages that this website has is not as complicated as the one with the Everlash website. So I'm just going to go ahead and try and add some of the pictures into my website. And let's say I want to have this one, then maybe this one, and probably this one, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on generate. Alright, so the picture is added into my website, and because this one is simpler than the one on Everlash, they can actually read the text on the website. So now they can read the images, and there's more image, and let's say that I don't want to use this. All I have to do is just click on this trash can options, and if I would like to add some more elements, I can just take a look at the elements on the left side of the screen right here, and let's say that I want to add a button. I can just drag it and put it over here, and now I got a button. Then I can also add the link of where I want this button to be, but I'm not going to add buttons on this part right here, so I'm just going to go ahead and delete it. And if I would like to add a video, I can definitely go ahead and drag it over here, and now I got a place for a video. Alright, so I added my video, and this is how it looks like, and I'm going to show you how I add this video into my website. So what I did was I went into my Shopify dashboard, go to content, and then click on files. Here on files, you can go ahead and upload the video that you want to put, and then go ahead and click on it. For example, I want it to be this one right now. Wait for it until it's finished uploading, and once it's done, you can just go ahead and copy the link and paste it over here, and now you got your video edit. Now let's say that you will want to edit your video so that it's going to be constantly on loop. You can just go to these options right here and then go ahead and click on loop video, and I also would want it to have autoplay options, and I kind of want this to be just one thing so that the video is going to be on full screen, and I really like how it looks like for now. And I don't want to show the control bar. As you can see, it has this control bar right here. I don't want it to be there, so I'm going to turn it off, and now it looks more clean looking. So let's say that I just wanted to remove these sections right here, and I want my website to start with this one. All I have to do is go back to this first page, click on the trash can, and it's going to delete the whole thing. So this element is also going to be deleted, as well as this one. And then I would want to create a banner so that I have a specific banner for my website. But for now, I'm just going to change this so that it's not going to be an image banner, but I'm going to change it into a text. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this one and add a text element. And I'm going to just write the name of my business, which is Eyes of the Moon, and change the fonts, then bring it to the center so it looks something like this. And this image sections are totally changeable, so if I would like to change the pictures, I can always upload the image by clicking this upload image right here. And let's say that I want to change it to some pictures that I have, and I'm just going to go ahead and change everything. Alright, so now that I got all of the images created, I can still alter the image however I want it to be. Maybe I want to change it to square or horizontal or whatever I want it to be. So let's say that I just want to change everything to square for now. And then at the advanced sections, I can even bring all of these pictures higher if I want. For example, I want it to overlap with the video on top of it, I can just go ahead and drag my clickers so that it looks something like this, which is pretty cool, and you can't really do this with the regular Shopify website builder. Alright, so it looks something like this, and then you can continue and add up more sections if you want and search up some more inspiration and add it into your website. So let's say that I'm just going to go ahead and delete this and leave this ones here. Once I'm done, I can just go ahead and click on publish. And now I got my page from looking like this into some things like this. And obviously you can edit it even more to make it even more tidy and cooler with all of the features that GemPages have. And that's basically it. That is how you can use GemPages to customize your Shopify store and to help you build your store even faster. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.